G'day everyone, welcome to Mate Home Aussie. Well, it's New Year's Eve here, and so thought I might go for a bit of a squid fish down at Busselton. The wind's the quietest it's been for a week or so, so hopefully we'll get in some squid. Got a few different lures, a few different coloured ones. I'm told, recommended a few, so we'll give them a try and see how we go. If we're lucky, I think there might be some fireworks down there too about 9 PM, so we'll see how we go. But hopefully we get a nice feed of squid and probably do a catch and cook, do a squid risotto. Thanks for watching.
Rightio, got a few different lures we're going to try out tonight. This one I've been told is really good for night time. This one's best for the day, and this one does glow. But I always found this one's always been good for daytime as well. Now this one is my favourite at night time so far. Caught me cracking on this one. It's got the UV so it can glow up at night. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how these new ones go, and hopefully we'll get a nice feed of squid. Alright. Decent sized squid start. That's a good thing. Yeah, second one, you beauty. Not a bad size either. Jesus, a cracking. Jesus, he's huge. Geez, I've got size 14 beaks. Ooh, he's going to be great to eat this one. Size one. Tell by my foot, look, spot here, 2 and 2 casts. G'day everyone, well, had to cut the fishing a bit short today because they've got the fireworks on tonight for New Year's Eve. They're putting all the fireworks on the jetty, so they're kicking everyone off. So I've had about 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours fishing, so I managed to get 5 squid, 2 really decent sized ones, 2 average and 1 smaller type one. Also hooked on the way back, threw it out and hooked an octopus, brought that up, but on the railings it's suckered onto it and flicked the jig and managed to drop it. Oh well, next time. So that would have been good to get hold of an octopus and cook that one up as well. But so we got 5 decent squid, enough for a couple of meals there. Probably go home, clean them up, and then make up a squid risotto. Catch you later. G'day everyone, welcome back to Mudabang Aussie, and here's the finished product here, the risotto. It's the only thing I've added in there on top is I've put some diced tomatoes on top and some chives for some decoration, and some of the curled, the squid there, or pineapple cut I think they called it. But there's a finished product. That's with 1 cup of boiled rice. There's enough there to feed 3 to 4 people. But it was a fun day. Only disappointing thing was getting kicked off the jetty after a couple of hours, so they're setting up the fireworks. I did try to find out if it was close or not, but they're a bit too busy to answer the phone. But I still managed in 2 hours to get 5 squid, and 2 of them were decent size, 2 were average, and 1 was a little bit small. So now, a bit of a taste test. The squid is lovely and tender. It tastes fresh. You just can't beat the taste of fresh seafood. You know, the fresh squid 10 times the flavour of frozen stuff. The rice is just cooked, a little bit creamy. You can taste the garlic in there, and just taste the dill. But dill goes really well with seafood, so that's what I prefer to put in it. If you don't like dill, well, you don't have to put it in. You know, and you know, a bit of tomato there, for a bit of bread there for a bit of colour, and the chives. But beautiful dish. Give it a go. It's a bit, you know, it's not one of these dishes you can put on the stove and walk away. You've got to stand over it and give it a bit of a stir, you know, till it reduces, and then you've had another cup of stock to it, and just keep going till it's just about cooked. And when it's cooked, I just put in the squid, so then the juices from the squid will get absorbed by the rice. So there it is. I'm just about to hop into this now. Bon appetit. Please try the recipe, and hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching the video. Cheers.